Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Temu. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go here to Temu app and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.